Hey!
I guess the
Got
other
it
one's
working.
really
Hi, welcome. Welcome to work.
I'll make sure to get everything. Look, there's the plane coming in. Okay. I hope it doesn't get wet, but I just noticed that you might. So,
Oh my geez.
I'm going to WestJet?
Yeah, you are, yeah.
Is it landed yet?
Oh yeah, it's going back.
Fuck. Is there a crew change? The daily life of an SA ramp agent. We're gonna put the ramp up.
you got the load sheet for that one.
For that one?
Yeah.
I'm not too sure. I don't.
I thought I had it.
Okay.
Watch that hitch.
Yeah. Forgot about that shit. I'll go close the door up. Wait! I don't have a load sheet. No.
Oh, you better run.
Fucking lifesaver. Holy shit. Sorry guys. You just have a 15 on the step, that's everything.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Are you guys de-icing them first, or what's going on?
I'm not too sure. It's all up to I can go ask him real quick and then come
If
back.
we're ready to go, or I'm just curious if we're ready to go, if we're gonna get the lab done or not, or
The lav?
yeah, we wanted it done, but
I can go
if
ask
there's
him.
a delay, we won't do it. Though.
Yeah, I think it will be, but
All right,
okay.
thanks.
Yeah, no problem. Good.
You're getting a disconnect.
Okay. Drop stuff from the Senate. Gives me a hand signal to disconnect the communications. It's down. Talcon film. Why not, man? Ah!
It's so hot in this truck right now, man.
We're almost done with the rush, boys. There's Spicy putting away the ramp. I'll watch you put this away like a pro.